Hello guys, namaste. Then welcome to the third part of adding data to the database. Okay, in last session we have added all the data here. Then after adding, what we are getting, suppose if I add here Sonu and Sunita at gmail.com, if I submit, it was showing like this: data was inserted successfully. Is record inserted successfully. And if I check here, it was recording, right? It was storing here. I'll refresh this page. See, last time was 10 only. Okay, see, now it is added, that is Sonu Patil 11. Okay, it is 11, so it is added. So now what we'll do, whatever data we are showing here, now that will take in front page. Okay, front page. So for that, what we need to do, I have come in student data, then here I'll go in view, and here I will create one more file, that is student view dot blade dot php. Okay, student view, here I have taken comma, it is dot. Okay, student view dot blade dot php. So this is our student view file. So to view, I have copied that file, that I'll copy and I'll explain you. Okay, see here is our view student records. Okay, this is the top above. Then I have imported all the files. Then here it is show student record. So here I have taken ID, first name, last name. It will be in column wise, that is ID, first name, last name, city, email. Okay, and here this I'll explain you. Okay, so for that, to create this, what we need to do, we need to go in controller, student controller. Okay, here we need to write one query, or one file we need to, one function we need to write, that is public. Okay, here we need to write, okay, public function index I have taken here, and here we'll finish this, right? I finished this. See, public, my function name is index, then user, db I have taken, database. Then select, what I'm doing, select star from student underscore table. Star means what, it will take all the data. Okay, and it is giving to $users. So this is student view. So what we need to do, our name is your student view, so it is a student view. Okay, here I have taken student view, here my v small, so I'll take here v. See, this name we need to take here. Okay, because we are viewing the student file. Then this is a keyword, that is users one keyword we need to take, and this is the $users. Okay, you can change this keyword also, no issue. Okay, I have taken users for understanding purpose. Then $user I have taken, that I am giving to this keyword. Okay, that is users. This keyword only we are taking here, that is users. Okay, means these users will be having all the data, all the database data, whatever database we have, that this all data will be having in this users. Okay, that we are taking, that we are making user as $user, and one verb we are taking here, that is in that users we are taking ID, we are taking first name, last name, city, and email. Okay, by using for loop we are taking all the things here, and we are showing that in this. Okay, so our controller is ready. Then we need to create a web, right? So I'll copy this, then paste here. Here I'll write what is the name of function, index. So I'll write here index, and here I'll write like show, and we are taking data. Okay, so it should be get. We'll check what will be the result. Okay, show. So now I'll go here, I'll write here what, show. We'll check, see, yes, we got the data, right? So show is Sunita, so it is showing whatever data is there in database, that we can see here, right? see here, get means we are getting. Suppose if I inserting whatever into use post, and we are taking getting, showing, that time we need to take get. Okay, so I hope you got this. See, now we'll run from first. So I'll go back here. It is showing. Okay, I'll insert Infi Sky Mumbai. I'll take now infisky.pilgrim@gmail.com. Okay, I have submitted. See what it is showing. Record inserted successfully. So if I go here, it will show the record inserted successfully. Okay, but what I want to show here this. Whatever I am showing now, after inserting it should show here like this. I want that. So for that, what you need to do, you need to go here in controller, and here only see record inserted. I'll comment this, and what I will do, I will copy this and will check okay whether it will work or not. I will copy this and I will paste here. I will delete this now. Means see, after inserting it should view this file, that is student view. Okay, that will check now. I will control shift or I will refresh. I will add Santosh Yadav Mumbai, santosh.yadav@gmail.com. See, whenever I will submit, it should show. See, here it is showing now, right? See, whatever we'll add, we can see here. This only we are storing here also. Means whatever the database data that we are showing here. Okay, so we have done successfully this now. It is working fine, right? So I hope you got this, how to work, how to show the data, student data, or whatever the database data in front page, okay, in front end. So I hope you got this. In 3 parts we have shown all the things. So if you have any queries, questions, then please in comment box, so we'll answer to that. And if you're liking our videos, then like, share and subscribe to our channel, and keep supporting us. If you support us, if you subscribe us, we'll get motivated and we'll make more videos for you people, guys. So thank you so much everyone. Thank you.